So you might be in a situation where for some reason your JBL headphones or JBL speakers are just not charging. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The number one thing I'd recommend doing is to go ahead and double check that charge port. Sometimes the charge port or the charging cord can be the bigger issue here. So what I'd recommend doing is going through, depending on which speakers you have, just go through and make sure that the port itself isn't causing too many problems. Take a very close look at that port, just make sure that nothing seems too crazy or too many issues there. That typically seems to be the only big issue that some people could end up having here. So try going through and making sure this port isn't corroded and doesn't have too many issues inside of it. Now if you do that and that doesn't seem to be that big of an issue here either, another thing you might want to try doing is to go through and try seeing if the cord itself is the problem. Sometimes the cord can be the issue here, so you might just have to go through and you might just want to essentially try seeing if you can replace that cord. Sometimes the cord itself might be the issue like I mentioned, so try doing that, and that could very well be the other thing you might want to try doing there too. If that's still not working, you might essentially want to try seeing if you can go through and try seeing if there's a way to power on your speakers while you're charging it. So try going through and holding down this power button while you're charging your speakers. And sometimes that can kind of snap this thing back into place. It'll power on and it will start charging as of that point. So that's kind of the main way to go and do it here for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.